Check, 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 check. What's up, boys? Howdy, Bitcoin next stop. Okay, so we're on Bitcoin. Okay, it is the Asia session, so most likely Bitcoin. Things people want to watch Bitcoin, dude. Okay, cool. So we're kind of more or less hedged on crypto right now. We're long on Coinbase, which is going to most likely be following Bitcoin, like more or less at least, right? Trust the new prop will be a banger. I actually have a really sick idea that I just had today too, that I want to introduce for Maven as well. You guys, I'm gonna create something that you guys will be able to trade anything you want. Like we can come up with anything, dude. I figured it out. I figured out how to make Maven, the prop firm, sound off. What do you mean sound off? I can see it. The sound's not off, is it? I can see it registering. Your sound is off. Let me see here. The sound's not off. Yeah, I can hear it. It's fine. I got an idea. I got an idea that's gonna make it so you can trade absolutely anything you want. Fucking, this is gonna be so sick, dude. Anyways, so somebody was asking next stop for Bitcoin. Yeah, people just, I don't know if they're like fucking with me or what, but let's trade some Bitcoin. I'm short on Bitcoin here, but it doesn't mean we can't do some scalping on Bitcoin, right? This is the new firm, by the way. When Crypto. If you want to trade crypto, go to When Crypto. What is it? What's the friggin' When Crypto trading? Nice. Let's trade some crypto, bros. I just want Bitcoin, bro. Yeah, it's good now. Sweet. Okay. Please check DMs. I'm not going to check my DMs. Hunter's a new prop hiring. We've already hired everyone. So if you guys want a job, I am hiring. Okay. The Hunter brand is hiring. Okay. What I am hiring for is clippers. I want like 10 clippers ideally. We have people on this WAP thing, and you can get paid. Like there's a bunch of people doing this, but I want full-time clippers, right? Because what I'm planning to do is start doing more. I'm gonna be doing IRL streams with the boys. I got a couple boys that are somewhat local that do trading, that we can go out and we could do IRL stuff. I'm gonna invite them over. We're gonna trade together and whatnot. And I need clippers. I need people who do this for a living, right? That can make viral clips, okay? And you know, we've basically gotten to the limit of what we can do internally. So we need to have multiple accounts, right? So my page, my Dumb Money Hunter Instagram page, like I can only post like 4 videos a day before it starts just ruining my own algorithm, right? So this is a new campaign. What you can do is you can sign up here, and then Maven Shorts, he's our main mod guy. He's gonna be I want you guys to start posting in there. Get some viral clips. And then here, go into hiring clippers on the Discord and post your social media page. If you're getting viral clips from my links, right? And you can copy stuff that I have on my pages. You can copy stuff on Maven Shorts pages, whatever it is, right? Other people's pages, and like repost it and make better stuff. You have to make your own content. And then I'm gonna hire people that start getting viral clips. If you get viral clips, if you're good at going viral, I'm gonna start paying you just to do that. Okay. So ideally, I want like 10 people. But the reality is, if you're not getting good views, I'm not gonna hire you. It's completely performance based. So anyone that can get good clips and make things go viral is gonna get a job. Okay. So there you go. Full-time fucking job open up for grabs. Let's look at Bitcoin. Go in the Discord if you want to apply for that. What time frame is this chart? 24 hour right now. Okay, so Bitcoin. This is the current like longer term bias I have is, you know, it might come up to this level, or I think there's some more important levels here. Yeah, probably come up here, right? And I'm going to short here as well. But as of right now, it looks like it might just be going up for the day. So I'm going to just watch. So my story I've got for myself right now is, oh, and by the way, the NASDAQ trade here we had this morning, and we're going to close that out for 3,000 profit on that one, on the NASDAQ, okay? $3,000 locked in. Okay. I'm going to delete this thing maybe. Delete that. Okay. And then we're just going to add to that Bitcoin short as it goes up on the large account, right? But for Bitcoin, let's look at this. Let's trade some Bitcoin right now. So we think it's going to go up for a bit more. Just failed to re-enter there. So I'm going to take a long on Bitcoin, actually. Oh, that doesn't, this doesn't do after hours. Okay, so we have to trade on one crypto for this. We have to trade on one crypto. 15 minute. Put like one lot. One Bitcoin. Bitcoin's pumping. We should wait or buy more now. I mean, it depends on what your time frame is. I'm both long and short right now, right? So like that's like what you should do is both all the time. Like your guys' questions are always ridiculous. Every single day, you have ridiculous things you say. When are you going to short Bitcoin? I am currently short on Bitcoin. I am also currently long, because that's how you trade properly. Right? What we're going to do here is we're going to long this up, right? So we'd failed to re-enter the zone, right? That's all that is. So we're going to shoot for a new high. That's all that is, okay? Is your Kick username the same as Instagram? Yeah, everything is the same everywhere. You should watch on either Kick or YouTube. Dumb money hunter everywhere, bro. Is this futures? This is crypto. I trade futures, CFDs, crypto. I trade anything, dude. It's all the same. Literally all the same. You have some sells on the Nasdaq. Good. Nasdaq will likely go down further. Yeah. Nasdaq's still going down. So. I wonder, is gold running right now? Yeah, gold is. When's like the high volume? When's the high volume time? I never trade Asia. Is the right indicator? Yeah, it's right on Asia Open, right? I think so. When did we have like crazy volume coming in? Like 7 p.m. Like 7, 8 p.m. my time on the open, and then 7, 8 p.m. I suppose. I guess there's like a 2-hour window of volume for Bitcoin, hey? From 5 to 8? No, 3-hour window, roughly. Okay, 2 to 3 hour window. Why don't you reply ICT? What do you mean? Did ICT comment on something? If ICT commented on something I said, post it in the Discord, bro. Yeah, post your stuff in the Discord, dude. May I ask how you identify high volume? That's a problem because you can't. There's no way to identify high volume. High is relative to the things around it, and it's also relative in respect to the variance as well, right? So it's not just relative in that it's higher, it's relative also in the variance. So you'd have to look at like volatility indexes like BVol, right? Daily interview. Bitcoin volatility. He mentioned me on his Twitter space. Wait, what? Where? I've had a thing with ICT forever, bro. I've had a thing with ICT. You got a link? Send me the link in the Discord, dude. What did he say? You got beat up today, three wrong back to back. I mean, that's pretty rare when you're trading this style. Our Nasdaq trade today, technically we got stopped out. I mean, technically, right? But we actually did exactly what we wanted to do, is go down to these lows, right? So technically the trade I showed you this morning was like this, right? And it got stopped out. But we still closed it in profit because we just didn't close the trade. I mean, and things like this are risky, but this is why closes are important, okay? right? So all they did is target the new high, right? After they gained this, they targeted the new high, and then they still needed to satisfy this downward side, right? Which this was the target for the trade, which they hit. This is coming down. No stop loss, interesting. I mean, if you're day trading, stop losses are kind of important because there's crazy volatility. And that's why you will have more random trades with day trading, right? But with swing trading, you can pretty much always be right. So you don't really need a stop loss, and you can just close when you're wrong, right? Silence. Right, so what's important here right now on Bitcoin? It's a shame, right? Because the higher time frames tell us it could easily come back down here, right? Easily, right? That's a level down. Easily come back down here. So we got some levels marked out. But right now they failed to re-enter the zone, so they should shoot up for a new high, in theory, unless there's a level here, right? But I don't think there is, so I think it's just going to shoot up. Right? Looks all right. Do you have that ICT thing, dude? I want to see what ICT said about me. Libra. ICT comments on me every once in a while. My strategy is longer term, I understand. No, it works on all time frames. It works on low or high. It doesn't matter, dude. I'm just telling you that this is the nature of trading. Lower time frames are more likely to be random, right? Reason being not because there's less liquidity, but because it's harder to understand what's going on with full certainty, right? The synopsis of that is that, hey, if I only look at the monthly, I know that there's nothing more important than the monthly, right? So with the monthly right now, the only things that we have to look at is that, hey, it's going to reject up here. There's a level here, maybe. There's a candle body here, and it failed and it re-entered the zone. So most likely it's going to come back down, right? On the monthly. This is all the monthly is telling us. And so we drew that on the monthly, right? But then when we go down to the daily, we can say, hey, the daily's actually gaining all these levels. So we have to track those now, right? And there's levels here, right? So it's near impossible. Like there's levels everywhere, right? So when you're day trading, there's so many levels that it makes it more likely that just a random level will be missed and you won't pay attention to it. And it'll get hit and then there'll be a spike, right? Like what happened on the NASDAQ here earlier today, right? Like we knew it was going down, but they have to satisfy something else first. And you don't see all of these all the time, right? And this is why day trading is harder than swing trading. Sometimes I would swear they make you get bored. I mean, yeah, more or less, dude. I know nobody's trying to do anything to you. There's no manipulation in the market. It's just how the market works. I'm my full time. This is what I do for a career, correct? This is been my full time career for since 2020. Now, mind you, I don't live off of trading profits because that would be silly. But trading stuff is how I get paid. right? I don't sell courses or anything, so this is all. This education is for free, but I do this, and this is how I get paid. Okay, that's all you really need to know. Hello from Italy. Interesting, dude. I love Italy. So do you look at flow volume out 90, 60 days? No, I don't look at volume at all because it's not important. What here? Let me ask you. We can't see the price. There. Now you can. What let me ask you a question here that's going to help you understand more about trading, I guess. What is the thing that makes you money? Right? I'm pausing just so that you can kind of process that for a second. What is the thing that makes you money in trading? The price. Right? Is the price higher than when you bought it, or is it lower than when you sold it, right? That's like long or short, right? That's the only thing that matters in trading is the price higher than when I bought it? That's how I make money. If it's lower than when I bought it, that's how I lost money, okay? I don't care how much volume is there. The only reason I might care about volume is to manage the variance in which things fly around randomly, okay? So as long as things aren't flying around randomly, I don't care about the volume because it's meaningless to me, right? The only thing that I care about is, can I make money? So when the price is low and it's by that logic, why would I look at something that makes it more confusing for me but doesn't do anything for me? Oh man, I keep getting Hinge notifications. They're fucking coming in nonstop. When they find out you made a bunch of money from trading, they all want to be your fucking girlfriend. And I messaged a girl. It was in Vancouver last weekend. And I matched this girl and I was like, I found you, right? Sort of thing, right? And then she only messaged back now. So I was like, it's too late. I'm on the island. It's too late. We can't fall in love anymore. I was like, I've already left town. It's like, you had your shot. And I was like, fuck, no, too late, dude. And she's like, she's like, I've never been to the island before. I guess I'll go there. I'll come visit you. I don't know you. This is what's crazy about trading, dude. Once you make a little bit of money, they'll just throw themselves. Dude, we don't care about Hinge. Alright, I do. You said you don't care about volume. Tell us what to... Bro! Dude, I like this guy, man. Fucking rip on me, dude. I love it. Yeah, focus on the thing that matters. I love that. That's funny, bro. You want a free Maven account? This guy here, wait. Okay, bro. What's your face? This guy right here. Maven. Okay, Maven Shorts. Give him a free when crypto. We're gonna give you a when crypto account. You want a crypto account? Yeah, go in the Discord, bro. That's sick. That was so funny. Go in the Discord, and Maven Shorts will be working tomorrow. He'll give you a free account. Either crypto or Maven, I don't care. Right, so let's look at the trade. So what do we care about? We care about the price. Do you notice how I don't have volume on the chart? I'm going to show you. I'm going to add volume, right? And actually, I got to close this or something. It's bugged out. Meow, meow.
Imagine how complicated relationships does ICT go in.
Don't need. Meow, meow. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, volume. Volume. Let's just add volume. Look at this, okay? I added volume. What does this tell you? Nothing. Like this candle moved almost as much as this big one, right? But the volume is 1/4 the size. But guess, but it's almost moved just as much. So this candle, volume per point of money I made, I don't know, the ratio of how much money I make on that move compared to the volume is much more efficient. Much more efficient. So the volume doesn't matter, right? The only thing I cared about is I bought here and I'm going to sell up here or something, right? Now, mind you, they're going to, if they fail this level, I'm going to get out. Okay? Because they're attempting to make a new high right now. And if they fail, I'll get out and we can reassess and take a new trade later. But this is how you're going to day trade, right? Just micro moves, bro. I mean, realistically, we just closed out right now, too. But it's so little money. We'll put a take profit at the new high. Maybe, I don't know. Stop loss here, maybe. Okay. If they fail this, I mean, this is what I'm looking at here. So now we can drop the time frame. We can see, hey, if this closes this 5 minute, then the 5 minutes going to cascade it down and we can get out, okay? Now, mind you, like most trades are not going to do much for us. This is how I trade personally. If I'm day trading, I would prefer to be taking little scalps, right? Like little moves like that, okay? Or imagine how complicated relationships does ICT go in. Please in your free account too. Just how do you use price? I always get faked out by the Wix man. Yeah. So if you go watch my dumb money concepts videos, basically, if you look at a wick as an attempt to make a new high, that's how you're gonna know. Okay, and the thing too is a wick doesn't really matter, right? So I'm going to give you 2 pieces of advice right now that's going to change your trading forever. One, when you have a level here, which is a candle body, right? So candle bodies are important because that's the significant amount of time that the traders were in that range. Okay, and we've just failed this level, so maybe I'll just close that trade and just wait it, right? $100. Nice. We'll just wait. That was a nice little scalp, okay? And then maybe we'll get, I don't know, maybe we'll get back in later, who knows. We can watch the 5 minute even. It's all retarded really, but it's all just silly. It's all just silliness.
Check Discord.
Check Discord. Yeah, one sec. So when you have this level here, right? And you attempt to make a new high, right? And you've closed, so you've just failed. You must go in the reverse direction, okay? Because you just proved that this level is not sustainable, right? So by that means, we must find a new place for people to want to be buyers now, okay? So until we find a place...
Check Discord, I just posted it.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. So one more thing though, because I told you I'd tell you two things, is let's say you do gain something, right? I'm going to show you right here as an example right here, okay? So let's say you do gain these levels, right? You pass those levels, you close beyond them. It's not a fake out, for example, right? And then you come back and you close back within it, right? Well, that is also all a wick. It's the same thing as a wick. It's just slower, right? So you failed to gain this. You've lost this level again, okay? So what you do is you sell off that level now, and then you go to the next level down, okay? Because it's not sustainable. All of this is not sustainable. So it doesn't matter if it's a wick or multiple candles. The wick is just faster. That's all. Straight to Discord. Oh, nice. Let's listen to this. Listen from 1355. Nice. Let's hear it. 1355. Honey, I shrunk my learning curve. Let's see this. 13. Thank you, bro.
4 weeks in a row.
1355.
Break it down modularly like that.
Let's listen.
You use your ability to get back up on that leaderboard again. You don't need to be that high. Just get there. And I'll moonwalk in that motherfucker. And at the end of the year, my name will be there. It's as simple as that. I don't need to talk about it. I don't need to brag about it. You see what I can do. You can see right now this week, 100% strike rate. Mr. Hunter.
Yes.
Over there at Maven.
Yes.
Saw your Mickey Mouse bullshit on X. You think you can out-trade me? Let's see it, motherfucker. Because if I don't do 25 to 30 times your fucking results, I'll delete my fucking channel. I'll delete my X right now. Done. Don't get on the internet and talk that Mickey Mouse shit that you can out-trade me. Don't talk about the ICT gurus. You come right to me. Right here. Me. You come to me. You played this bullshit for a couple years now. And you want engagement? You got it. You got it. All you have to do is come out here and tell everybody what you're going to do, and then record your executions, and then we'll compare real regulated broker statements every single day. And you don't think I won't do it? Go to my fucking YouTube channel, and you'll see me log in, and I go through every single fucking day.
Get him
and you'll
to
see
the
the
ring.
results. And if I don't do 25 to 30 times your fucking results, I will scrub my entire fucking entity online. So that goes for anybody, any of you. You got no more room to use my fucking name for cloud. You got none. Unless you want to come to this and answer this gauntlet, go fuck yourself, you little pussies. You're a bunch of bitches, okay? You're a bunch of fucking pussy motherfuckers. You talk and you talk and you talk. You can do so much better. Please come here and try that. Fuck Robbins. We'll do it right here in front of the entire fucking world.
Bro!
The whole public will audit us. Every single day.
The smoke!
The fucking broker statements
Yo!
close. Boom. There you go.
He wants smoke,
the
baby.
All you got to do is cover up the trade ID
He
numbers.
wants smoke, baby.
Just partially. Because AMP, they're not going to let that float. But everything will jive. And at the end of the year, a 1099 will fucking prove it too. That's all you got to do. That's all you got to do. We don't need to make this complicated. We don't need to stretch this shit out. We can do whatever the fuck you want to do. But I'm going to tell you right now, I told you before, I told you dozens of times. I'm here for it. I'm here for it. I've been begging for it.
Okay. Okay. Broker statements. I gotta log into the... Look, I'm logging in. Logging in. Portfolio. So we put 5,000 in this account. I know it's only 5,000, okay? I'll be honest, I don't hold money myself, okay? I don't hold money myself. So I only had 5,000 that I put in this account. Let me see, where do I go? My all of my net worth is under Maven, okay? So my personal trading is only like small bits of cash, okay? But that doesn't matter for trading profit. How do I get my statements? 1 second. I'm trying to figure out how to do this. I don't remember how to look at my portfolio growth. Like here, like I'm trying to, I don't honestly don't even know how to look at this. Excuse me. Oh, here we go. I think home. Right, wait. So that's for, look, past 3 months, you can see it moving along, okay? 5,000. You see, wait, 5,000, right? And then we went up to, we peaked out at 9, and then now we're down to 82. 82, okay? Up 42% so far this year. And that's from swing trading, okay? Day trading, I will perform worse. And I want to know so first of all, I know what he's going to do because I've seen him before. I've been playing with him for years, okay? I've been doing this with him for years back and forth. It's fucking hilarious, okay? And I've seen him do this with other people too. He calls him out. He's like, yeah, I'll do it. And then he doesn't do it, okay? And what is probably going to happen is nothing, right? Just like every other time. I want to know, somebody in the comments, tell me, just confirm with me, what did he want to do? He wanted to go head to head for a year? Is that what it is? Somebody confirm, was it a year? If it's a year of trading, then I can continue to swing trade this account, and I will show my broker statement at the end of the year with this $5,000 account. And honestly, I have no clue what it'd be. I've been performing pretty well these past couple months. You know, 40, 50% growth, whatever it is, in a couple months is really good. He said live stream too. Okay, I have been live streaming. Yeah. So that's the thing, is I've been live streaming every day. Everything is tracked. Okay. So I want to confirm, is he challenging me to like a week-long thing where it's like day trading every day? Or is it like a year-long thing that I can swing trade? That's what I want to know. Because if it's swing trading, it's like 20, like first of all, I don't think he can beat me. But second of all, he said 25 to 30 times what I make, which is just insane. Because let me just pull out the old calculator here. And by the way, I need Maven Shorts to fucking at Maven Shorts get a clip of my reaction from this stream. What were we were like 30 to 38 min ish in, right? Okay. Anyways, this is hilarious. I definitely need clips of that because that's good. So like let's say I only made 10% in a year.
He has a calculator that works in his favor only.
Let's say I only made 10% in a year, which by the way would mean I perform, but let's say I do nothing for the rest of the year and I just sit at 42% profit and I just don't trade for the rest of the year. 25 times. He thinks he's gonna make 1,000% in a year. What a fucking retard. It's like I'm so for this dude. You know why? Because ICT is so predictable, because he says things that are so insanely crazy. 1,000% in a year. What? That's a 10x. There you go. I did the math for you. He wants to he thinks he can 10x his account in a year, and that's if I do nothing all year. That's if I literally do nothing all year, like the claim, and then he's like, I'm gonna delete my account. So if he doesn't make if he doesn't make a 10x this year with a broker statement, he's gonna delete his account. Is that what he claimed? Like, somebody confirm that for me. Let me reconnect to this bitch, and we'll go back to trading. Oh, it pumped up even more. Okay, maybe we'll take another long if it comes back down. Oh, we could be trading this, huh?
He shouldn't have said broker statements. It should be live stream. Broker statements can be faked.
Fuck it, dude. Let's like all you got to do is like you can't fake a broker statement if you just do what I just did, right? If you go here, it just closed me out, but if you go into your broker statement and you just drag across it. You drag across it so that you can see the performance over time. You literally saw me show you that, so it's proof for sure. Like, it's impossible for that to be fake. Unless I have a phone app on my phone that I coded to show fake results, right? You know what I mean? Which would be fucking sick, actually. That would be really cool if I wanted to fake it that hard. Do you come on live every day? Yeah, this is my second time today. It doesn't seem like this is as hot of a time for trading, for people watching on stream. Bro, you're wasting so much time on someone else's potential claim that we don't know the details. Go back to showing you method. Yeah, I mean, I'm having a blast here, bro. I'm wasting time, dude. I got all the time in the world. I'm retired. Bro, I retired. I'm retired. I retired at 30, dude. I don't know if you remember, like, I used to be the CEO of Maven. I retired. Now I just do community shit. Like, on this, like, this is just a fucking side gig, I guess. I don't know. I still work, like, because I like it, but it's more or less retirement at this point. We got all the time in the world, bro. I am showing you my method. I'm just trying to get another entry here. We closed it out because, I don't know, I'm an idiot, maybe. But realistically, like, we failed the gain on the 5 minute. This is why I don't really like 5 minutes, because 5 minutes just fuck you all the time. Maybe we should just literally only trade the 15, but anyways. Like, what's going down right now is this is just going to rip up, right? More or less. Is that what Bitcoin's doing on this one? Yeah, same thing, dude. So that trade worked, I guess. If you let it run, great. I didn't. That's fine. Bitcoin looks good. It does look good. Yeah, it's gonna come up here, dude. I mean, realistically, should we just be in longs probably? Honestly, like, I don't know why I'm looking at the lower time frame. It should just be in a long. Right? We know it's gonna go up, so like, why does it even matter? When's the next decent close? 30 minute here? I don't know. You're just retired from being CEO. Yeah, kind of. Like, basically. You're not retired if you stream and trade for a living. I mean, I think, like, the thing is, what is retirement then, I guess? right? Like my mom's retired, but she still acts. Like, does that make like my mom had a job, and then she retired, and then she acts for like for fun, but she gets paid for it. So like, is this not that? I'm acting. I'm playing some character online. I'm a dancing clown for your entertainment, right? What's that thing? Am I not entertaining? Right? Anyways, like this is all just a game. Trading is a game. Live streaming is a game. Content is a game. It's all just fun. I guess the question is, would you do it for free? Yeah, probably. This is probably what I would do for free as well. So I'm retired. Your candlestick colors are tripping me out. I thought they were bearish. What color should they be? Maybe the When Crypto colors now? What's the When Crypto colors? It's like... Wait, one sec. I totally know them too. Wait. It's like pink and blue here. Those are sick colors, actually. These are the three colors. Pink, blue, and yellow. What should we do? We should do blue up, maybe? Let me get the actual let me go in my I'm gonna go into the drive here. I have a shared drive. Hold on. You're not allowed to see this stuff, so it's off screen. Marketing, brand assets, and crypto logo. Nope. That one. Nope. Oh, where's the freaking... I need to see the freaking hex code for this. How do I get the hex code? I have the freaking... I'm just... When... Wait, brand guidelines. I'm gonna change the colors, dude. Oh, dang it. Brand color. Dang it. When crypto. Fuck, man. I'm too retarded to like know where anything is. Let's just pick colors.
You can use Pick or Color online website.
Yeah. Let's just pick colors. Fuck it. I wanted the actual hex color that Emma picked a proper hex color, but I can't seem to find the like. Can't seem to find the freaking. Maybe they put them in a different drive. Hold on. Maven. I don't know. Maybe I don't have access to something. Shit. Let's just pick colors. We want like blue and pink. Is that what you guys want? Blue. Blue. Pink. Something like that. I don't know. Is that better? You step down to... Yeah, I stepped down to CCO. We just gave myself a new role is all. And John is the CEO role, yeah. No. John used to be the tech guy. And now he's the CEO. Yeah, we're doing night stream today, huh?
Here are the hex colors FFCBLE FDDLE FDDLE.
Oh my god, you got the fucking hex colors, didn't you? How did you fucking G, dude? Let's do this. Okay, so is that the blue? Let's see. Let's just add some hex colors. Add. That's the pink. Okay. And we're add another one here. Wait, did that get added? Yeah, add. Okay, there we go. We'll add another. There's a yellow. Sweet. Add. Yellow. Add. Okay, we need this one too now. Okay, sweet. You're a G, dude. There you go. Fuck yeah, dude. This is way sicker, right? I'll go here. Oops. Wicks. Should we make the wicks yellow? Is that cool? It's kind of cool. At least you were C-suite. Congratulations, man. I mean, I'm the owner. I own Maven. I mean, the other guys also own Maven too. But I'm the original founder. It was Seb's idea, and then I started it. Seb and I were 50-50 partners, right? I kind of did the launch groundwork, and then we hired on John, and then we gave John equity, right? So now it was like majority Seb and I, and then we gave John some, and then Emma came on later. So Emma's on the C-suite, but there's 3 or 4 people, I guess, with equity, depending on how you look at it. Yeah, this is just gonna go up more. Is that better colors? Those are kind of cool for when crypto. Bro, am I buying? Yeah, I mean, we were in a buy. We're just kind of being retarded right now and not letting it profit. Should you buy Dogecoin target? I mean, we can look at cryptos. Let's look at cryptos. Like, what's moving right now? I guess let's do something interesting, actually, kind of fun maybe. Oh, and this is just not okay. Now that I look at this and it's like not the colors of, we need to change that. That needs to be the colors of when crypto. Anyways, let's just go to top movers and see fart coin. Fuck yeah, bro. Let's trade this shit. What do we want? Maybe XRP even. These only moving that much percent. I'd be down to trade XRP. How much we want to trade? 15K. How much does that cost? $10.
You should have an indicator trading view where you have Maven logo and when crypto logo on top right.
Yeah, we can do that, right? Fuck this volume thing, dude. Fuck that volume, that's annoying. Delete. Dogecoin target. Let's look at Doge. USDT. Yeah, if you're on a Doge. Doge gained on the daily. This is alright. Wait, no, not really. So Doge regain, kind of, monthly. It's a bit shaky. Like, it's a similar sort of thing to Bitcoin where this is like absolutely dumping. So if Doge on the monthly regains this level here, I'll be super happy to... These colors are so bright, dude. How does this look better for you guys watching? Is it nicer having the bright colors? Because it's really bright on my eyes. It's like blinding. It kind of hurts to look at the chart. Do I trade gold? Yeah, I trade it all, bro. It's all the same. I can literally trade anything profitably. Okay. If this regains on the monthly, I'll be a Doge buyer. Let's look at XRP again. I just want to, since we're in an XRP right now, wait, XRP, USDT. Right, like, okay, so XRP sort of, this is going to be major resistance right here. Okay, so we'll mark that 15-minute here. We probably shouldn't be in this trade. Probably a bad idea. How long have you been trading for? 14 years. 13 years? 13 years. 2013 is when I started. Got into Bitcoin. What about the NASDAQ? NASDAQ's going down, bro. Didn't we lose a level on Bitcoin on the weekly, but it pumped instead? Correct. Like, it doesn't really matter. Because you have a whole week, dude. And on the weekly, Bitcoin... So, you're thinking the monthly. So right now what's going to happen is Bitcoin's going to pump up here, which is also going to cause these other altcoins to pump, right? So what you want to be looking at right now is if we're in XRP Bitcoin, right? We're in XRP USDT right now, right? So we want to be watching this asset as well to see if it correlates with it going up as well, okay? So we're both kind of bullish on the short term for both Bitcoin and XRP. So I could either be long on Bitcoin or XRP. So the one that's going to make more money is whatever one is winning in this pair, right? And to me, it doesn't look very good, right? Not right now. But we can use XRP USDT, right? We can honestly just watch this rip up. And once the 5 minute starts failing, then we can get out of the trade, right? Like right now, what we know is crypto is going up currently. So we can ride that trend if we want. I don't really like it because this is not how I trade, but we can use that logic if we want to. Right? And then just once we see the chart not making new highs, we'll get out. It's pretty low risk, right? Like in theory, this is kind of what we're risking right now on XRP, right? It'll go up a bit more maybe, right? I don't know, something a little bit higher. We can scalp it up a bit and just do kind of like 1 hour sort of things. Something like this, right? Do I trade with prop firms? Yeah. When Crypto and Maven. Should I buy ETH and Sol 50K each? I mean, probably. I guess so. I don't know. Like, if you're investing, it's a good time to invest. Yeah. If you're willing to wait a couple years. 9:30 p.m. for me? No, 6:30 p.m. What indicator do you suggest for gold? None of them. They're all terrible. No indicators are any good. Should we throw on 2 charts here? Actually, I think you can only see, if you're watching on the small time frame, then, I mean, if you're watching on the, no, let's just do the 1 chart. easier for people watching at home. So again, we can look, hey, Bitcoin failed this level, went for a new high. Looks like it might lose this level. We'll see. We want to see a bounce off here. Okay. We want to see Bitcoin bounce off this level to continue. And if it loses the level, then you probably don't want to be in the XRP trade, right? Any advice on trading prop firms? What do you mean? Like how to most effectively trade prop firms? Yeah. I can tell you super simple. The best way to trade on prop firms, dude, is use low R trades, because the most important thing on prop firms is going on winning streaks. It's not actually being profitable. Being profitable helps you, but the most important thing for making the most amount of money is going on long winning streaks. And being profitable just makes that even easier, okay? You don't actually have to be a profitable trader long term in order to make money on prop firms. What would you say the minimum amount I'd have to initially invest in order to be successful or even get started? Invest anything. But to trade, maybe, I don't know, 5K? Maybe 5K or so. You handsome stud. Hey, what's up, who? TG. Is that, are you Tyler? Handsome stud. Tyler G? Are you Tyler? Did I just guess you? Based off 2 letters? Last week I lost a lot because I was short on Bitcoin because my reason. Yeah, bro, I got it. What's up, Tyler? Hilarious, eh? TG Capital. Bro, fucking welcome, dude. Tyler, I got some sick ideas. I can't say it. It bothers me that I can't share all of my ideas all the time, but I have an idea of how to offer you futures. I can offer you futures. Just give me some time, bro. I know what to do. Okay, this is exactly what we want to see. We want to see a bounce off that level on Bitcoin. They're rallying it back up. Just maybe give me a couple months, hopefully, and then I think I can do futures. You know exactly what I'm gonna do? Wait, I think you texted me too. Wait, hold on. I don't want this information to get out though. That's the thing. Wait. Yeah, you texted me. Wait. You know what I'm gonna do. Wait. I think you know what I want to do. Yes. Wait. Okay, Tyler, bro. Don't share that with anyone. I think you know what I'm gonna do. But okay, so this is it, Tyler. Okay, it's that, but named differently. It's that, but with I don't want to. So let me tell you what it is, okay, Tyler. So, but don't let this out, okay? Okay, they lost that level. I got to get out of that XRP, I think. Hold on. I'll get out of that one. We'll wait for a lower. It's that, but named with the original names. Do you know what I'm saying? So that you don't know the difference. Okay. And actually, Tyler, the thing that you just suggested is actually go already in the works. The thing that you just showed me it already exists. Actually, we just haven't pulled the trigger on it. No, like Tyler, like MNQ. You just name it MNQ. Okay. Okay, I don't want that to get out though, okay? Please, sir. Tyler, wait. Yeah. And then now you have MNQ. Do you see what I'm saying? Now you have all of the things that everyone in the States wants. Right? But this what I'm looking at right now, the thing that you just showed me, this already exists on Maven. It just isn't live yet. We literally just have to flip a switch. We've actually already started this. So it's actually crazy that you mentioned this to me, because it's actually, we already did this. and then that would be what I'm thinking now is like the next succession of this project, I suppose. It's genius, bro. It's fucking genius, dude. And then from there, you can offer like you could offer a whole different list of products, I suppose, right? You could offer futures products, right? Does that make sense? Anyways, Tyler, I need you partnered with Maven, man. I need you on an I need to get you on an NDA. I need to start paying you, dude. I want you with the Maven badge, bro. Can you trade currencies on it too? I mean, yeah, you could do anything, dude. I mean, you wouldn't need it because Maven already has currencies, but I mean, you could do anything. We could do anything at this point. I've realized that what you're saying right now is how is how you do anything, right? Okay. We're gonna get in a little lower. Should I be trading Bitcoin or XRP? What's like the fucking biggest shitcoin right now, boys? Let's oh, is it fucking failed again? Wait. XRP, USDT. Did we close the wrong one? What's the biggest shitcoin right now? Oh, XRP is fine. Let's just fucking long. Let's just keep it long, bro. A couple longs on XRP and watch that. Fartcoin for sure. Is it the biggest shitcoin right now? Fartcoin USDT. Let's see on Kraken. Oh wow. We need like liquidity, dude. What you do if you want to get fucking rich, dude, with crypto, you just wait until Bitcoin's bullish and then long an altcoin. Because altcoin just fucking hits so much harder. Cardano is not a shitcoin, really, I don't think. I mean, they're all shitcoins, but I mean, get the contract. Yeah, we gotta set something up, Tyler. I'm gonna get you contracted with Maven. Because you got some really good ideas too, bro. We gotta get you hired on, bro. Should we be long on Fartcoin? Maybe if Fartcoin comes down a bit, I'll take a long on Fartcoin maybe. I've never really traded like shit coins like this, which is pretty sweet that you can just like trade shit coins. Like fart. What type of fart coin? Oh, fart coin. Yeah. Oh, that's pretty liquid. Oh, it's because it's on Kraken or what? Fart coin. Fart coin. Do they not have it on Binance? Fuck. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's pretty liquid. Should take a long on fart or what? Maybe I'm gonna wait a moment on Fartcoin. See if it comes down a bit lower. Buy down lower a bit, maybe. Do you think Bitcoin's gonna go up? Or where do you think it's gonna cap at? I mean, probably 80K. Didn't I wear glasses before? Yeah, I wear glasses. I also wear contacts. It's all the same. Bitcoin is gonna go like we said, dude. I mean, this pump's pretty strong right now, so we can ride it up probably to this 77, 78 level. Full port Shiba Inu. Let's see. Shiba. Tyler, I need you to start trading dumb money concepts. Shiba. They don't have Shiba on Binance, eh? This looks kind of poo. This doesn't look as good. They failed on that level. I'd be bearish on Shiba. Let's fucking do it then. Let's just go here. Shiba. Shib, there you go. Oh, because it's yeah, Shib. Shib. That's what it is. Binance. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we'll short that. Shib looks pretty bad, right? So let's short that one. And let's just actually start trading cryptos, bro. There you go. Sell that. 7 grand worth. Boom. Shib looks better than Cardano. Let's see Cardano. ADA, right? ADA looks alright. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. It looks way better than Shib to me. Higher time frames. I mean, I always look at the higher time frames, right? Looks not too bad. Like not terrible is what I'm saying, but like bounce. Actually, this is all right. On the monthly, you failed to make a new low, right? So this is probably going to come up. Take a couple. Let's just fucking take trades. Why not? Let's just fucking go nuts, dude. ADA. Buy some ADA. Why not? Let's fucking just trade. Yeah, Tyler, you're an ETH trader, eh? So let's look at ETH too. ETH trader. Such a weird one. I had an interview with a guy who traded wheat today. He's actually a sick trader. So he trades wheat and the South African ZAR, right? And his logic was, so he went wheat, right? And he's like, where, let me see if I can get like a longer term Oanda maybe. Something that had like a longer term data here. So he was looking at wheat, right? And he was like, wheat is an asset that you need food, right? And like inflation exists, of course, right? So wheat is not going to be like, you're not going to be able to buy food for less than 2005. You know what I mean? So like, even if you look a decade ago, he's like, there's no chance the cost of wheat is going to be cheaper than a decade ago, right? Like that's not going to happen, right? So he's like, most likely somewhere in here has to be the low, right? So he's like, I'm just going to buy. And he held on Maven for months. He just held a trade for months with wheat. And then eventually it pumped. He's like, this has to be the bottom. So he just kept buying wheat. And then it pumped and he made like 10 grand. Take a payout. And he's still rocking it, right? So this is actually a sick idea, dude. Actually, should we be long on wheat? Probably, actually, dude. This is a sick chart, actually. Can I do futures? Wheat futures? Interactive brokers. Let's see. Right. Wheat futures. Yeah, we can just fucking long wheat, right? How much does it cost to long wheat? Just for like long term. There you go. Boom. We're
Wheat and weed.
We're long on wheat. And then he goes USD ZAR, right? And I'm like, why are you long in ZAR? Right? And he's like, this is gonna sound hilarious. He's like, what? He's like, no African country has ever been successful. And he's South African, right? He's South African, so he's like, that he knows his shit, right? So he's like, I know that South Africa is not doing well. And he's like, Africa does not beat the States. So he's like, USD ZAR has to go up. So he had the same logic, and he made a good trade on this too the past couple weeks. He took a trade because he's like, oh, it's going down. So he just bet against Africa basically. Because he's like, this can't I work for the third largest milling company, and we have in-house wheat trading team. Tell me more about that. Your software development for them. Yeah, tell me more about that. Like, do we want to be long on wheat? Because this is, I never thought. Like, so the guy, he's like saying soybean, right? Soybean. Bean. He's like, soybean, wheat, and corn are staple foods, right? It's in everything. They're in everything, right? So unless the cheapest foods that everyone eats, which makes it, like, honestly, it makes sense why wheat is going down, right? Because the past few years, people have been wanting to eat healthier, right? They've been wanting to eat meat and vegetable instead of grains, right? But the reality is we're going into possible recessions and wars, right? People are going to need to live, right? So a lot of people are going to get poorer, right? So they're going to have to eat more wheat. This is actually kind of a sick idea. There's so many variables, war, weather, etc. Ukraine is largest supplier of wheat, actually. Interesting. I mean, I would have thought wheat futures would have been U.S. correlated because, you know, it's the futures market, which is U.S., right? That dude shouldn't be trading wheat with that reasoning. It's a fucking amazing reasoning, actually. Like without knowing like all the ins and outs of like the wheat industry, right? It's actually fucking genius. You're right. We strive in a recession in a milling company. Exactly. Because people can't afford beef. Right? If things are going bad, people can't afford beef. So wheat is quite literally like the ultra gold. Because gold is used in economic hardship, right? But you need food. And what if you're majorly having a problem, okay? What if you're like majorly having a problem? Oh, this is actually interesting because it's been going down for a long time. Without reason, you should long eggs. Can you long eggs, bro? I don't think you can long eggs. I don't think you can long an egg. Background is a copper play. I mean, this makes sense that like wheat has been going down for like a long time. But the reality is it's food. Right? And whenever people struggle, the cost of cheap food goes up. So in a recession, look at this, right? When were all the recessions? I'm going to tell you right now. The last recession was COVID, okay? That's right here from 2020 for the next 2 years, okay? Wheat spiked from the start of COVID, it was like somewhere around here, doubled, okay? And then the 2008 financial crash, right, was the next one. Okay, so again, 40%, 45%, right? And then you have the 2000, right, which actually, interestingly enough, didn't cause any economic turmoil for wheat, I suppose. And then you had, I think the 80s, there was one, early 80s, yeah. And then the early 70s or something, yeah. I mean, I'm gonna take a little long on wheat and just watch it. Might as well, dude. Like, cause the good thing about like knowing how to trade is like I can correlate this trade data to what's actually happening in the macroeconomics, right? Macroeconomics are pretty shaky right now. So, you know, watching these monthly candles, you know, potentially this looks all right to me, right? And the daily candles and whatnot. So this doesn't look too bad. It might rip up really hard. So we'll play it light and see how it goes because I've never traded wheat before. Wheat and rice. Can you long rice even? The reason it's more about meat as it's about people buying flour. Heard they got a lot of new pipeline things. Okay. Anyways, yeah, it's kind of a crazy idea. Like I've never thought about trading food. It used to be like that used to be the big thing because that's how trading existed. Is like people would trade farming goods, right? What is ZW? ZW is wheat futures, bro. Actually genius. I mean, the best thing you can do is short Beyond Meat. Beyond, bro. This is such a fucking shit coin if I ever seen one. Beyond Meat is like the biggest catastrophe that ever happened to a stock. Nobody gave a fuck, dude. I'm live every day, yeah. Usually it's during the New York lunch hour, but we're playing around the Asia session right now. Seeing if we can make some money on the crypto account. Okay, this is when crypto trading prop firm. Let's go Bitcoin more. Can you swing trade on Maven? Yeah. Nice, let's go, baby. What's the most profitable strategy? It's called Dumb Money Concepts, dude. Is what I trade with an 85% win rate. As you can see, we are winning. And I don't even trade crypto. We're currently up 1,800 on this account. Right? Is this one tradable? Watch this close. See if it gains. XRP. Bitcoin, can you make a new vid about what level it is and when it's gained or lost? How can you get my signals for gold? I mean, if you join the Discord and you watch my live streams, you can see all my trades always. I don't ever take trades unless I tell you. All of my trades are public knowledge. I saw your DMC video about talking about the next move on high time frame. Could you explain your entries a little bit? Like I don't really know what you're asking. Like you seem to be asking like 3 different questions in one sentence. Talking about my next move on the high time frame. I don't really know. It doesn't really make any sense, bro. So they just targeted the new high. That's all they did there. Okay, see that? All they did is to target that new high. They gained this level. To have a look at corn, we can look at corn. ZC. Corn futures. Corn looks like this might be rejecting to fail on the monthly. It doesn't look super good for corn. I mean, the long-term trend doesn't look as bad as wheat, but Discord link. It's in my it's in the description of everything, bro. Oh wow, they really dumped that. So all they did, let's go back to XRP USDT. So all they did was target the new high. Okay. This is why crypto trading is tricky, because it just does this crazy bullshit all the time. What's the word with Bitcoin? It's going to go up, then it's going to go down. XRP is moving pretty dang fast. Well, that is pretty dang fast, dude. Not a fan of that. Let's get out. Break even there. That's a shame. Hold on. Again, the 5 minute does stupid shit. If we go back to Bitcoin, if Bitcoin's dumping, like there's this level here, right? So Bitcoin's dumping. We want to probably be in Bitcoin when it rallies off of this. What flavor is this vape? Cucumber. I don't like sweet shit. I don't normally even vape. This one's almost empty. I probably won't buy another. Vaping's bad. I mean, maybe I'll wrap up the stream there. I think we just did a couple hours, hour and a half. That was all right. That was kind of fun. I'm not sure if I should be should I be streaming in the Asia session as well? I'm not sure if this is like this seems like a little bit of a different audience. I think the Asia session might be more chill, like people just trying to hang out. I don't really ever stream in the Asia session. It's always the New York. So I don't know. I might I might have a bath and go to bed, bros. Wake up in the... Yeah, that was dope, eh? We should do Asia sometimes. The thing is... Yeah, stream both. I could do both sometimes. Nighttime shit to hang out. We could do this more maybe for the crypto side, and then do crypto in the evening. Real trading in the morning. We could try that maybe. I need to get clippers. So by the way, I want to say this again now that we're kind of wrapping up. I am hiring clippers. Okay, announcements. I'm hiring people who will watch the stream, get viral clips, edit them yourself, post them to your channels. The reason why I want you to post them to your channels is because I get more reach that way. And they have to go viral, right? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna post them. You're gonna go to WAP here. You're gonna post them under my clips thing, right? This one. And then you're gonna make money from that. From there, I'm gonna hire you also. I'm going to start paying you on top of that if you're performing well. So I want to get like 10 clippers that do this for a living. And then I want you to post your profiles here so I can see that you're actually getting good views. If you're getting good views, I'm going to start paying you for it, okay? The reason I want to do that is for more reach. And then also that way I can stream at all hours, okay? So if we're able to get a bunch of clippers that are working, posting these good clips, right? Then I'm going to start doing IRL trading or IRL streams with some buddies. I'm going to stream more often. And we're going to be able to travel and do all this cool streaming stuff, do more whatevers, right? I don't know. So if you want a job, learn how to make viral clips based off of the crazy shit that happens on the charts, right? Or like, I don't know, tell a story of trades or so. I don't know. You have to make the clip. That's your job, not me, okay? You can talk to the other clippers though. Maven Short's a clipper. There's a couple clippers in the Discord already. We pay a couple of them already, but I want like 10, okay? This seems to be pre-recorded. It's not, bro. Why would this be? How is it pre-recorded when you can see the chart on your screen too, dude? This is the same time as it currently is. This has been nice. It is 3 a.m. here. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't be streaming later than this usually. The issue is like I like to go on dates and I like to go to yoga and go rock climbing and whatnot. So it's kind of like if we do this will become my entire life. Just streaming all the time. Right. And I'm fine with that if it's working. Seems to be kind of working. What times do you stream? Midday New York. Usually I'm on the West Coast, so. Anyways, boys, I think I'll wrap it up there. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. We'll let those crypto trades run too. Oh yeah, Maven Snips is another snipper. Right on. See you guys. Maven Snips, fucking get your stuff more viral. Get better hooks or whatever so people like watch and engage. Like fucking click, emotionally bait them into things so they have to watch. That's how you do it, dude. You gotta make people either excited or pissed off or curious, right? And if you do that successfully the first second, they'll watch the clip. Okay, take it easy, boys.